Hello children, welcome to you in phonic sound class. Today's topic is phonic sound of letter M and N. So let's begin today's class. So children, this is letter M. M is for monkey. M is for mat. M is for mother. M is for moon. M is for mango. Mango. Yes, the sound of M is m. Now I will tell you a short story of letter M. Okay? So children, there was a little girl. Her name was Mary. What her name? Her name was Mary. Mary's mother cooked some muffins for her. And when she was eating muffins, she said, Yes, the sound of M is Now next letter is N. What sound of N? N. Yes, its sound is n. And N is for nest. N is for nest. And N is for nip. N is for nip. And N is for net. N is for nut. And N is for nurse. So sound of letter N is n. Yes. Now I will tell you a short story for letter N. Neha and Nima were good friends. They went to the garden for nature walk. While they were walking in the garden, they heard a loud noise. It was an aeroplane flying in the sky. And the sound is the n. Yes, the sound of letter N is n. Okay children, now let's repeat. What sound of letter M? M. And what sound of letter N? N. Yes. So children, this way you can practice sound of letter M and N. Okay. Bye-bye.